Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today will be my weekly video about Redbubble design ideas. Here I find search phrases from Redbubble trendy searches, but as always I want to say that it will be a good idea to upload them not only on Redbubble but also on different print on demand platforms like TeePublic, like Merch by Amazon, or on your store on Etsy, or any others that you use, because the more sales channels you have, the more profit you can also get from them. Today will be some evergreen designs that you can sell any month of the year, and also some searches connected with Saint Valentine's Day, because it will be soon, and of course now the search volume is higher for this holiday, and there are a lot of trendy searches that are connected with Saint Valentine's Day. Okay, let's go to the first idea, and it's an evergreen idea. One cat short of crazy. 500 plus results as for now, and it is a cat lover design. Funny phrase about cat lover, that in one cat the person will become crazy, and it's not very competitive right now, only 500 plus results. And what I like in this design is that a lot of different illustrations from top of the search made really simple and not too good. We can find some simple text designs like here and here, and also some designs with some small cat illustrations. These vintage variants, they are not looking too good as for me. Yes, it is a good idea to make an illustration of a crazy cat like here, but it's not the best combination of colors, and to be honest, for a sticker maybe it's a good idea, but for a t-shirt or something like that, you can make a better illustration for sure. I like more something like here, where we can find a very cute illustration of a cat. It is made good, and maybe I will also make something like that. Different search results as for now, but with a good stylization in cute variant or minimalistic variant, or maybe even in vintage variant, retro variant like here. But if you create a good illustration, it can bring you sales for sure, and maybe I will also make the same design idea, but with a dog word. So I will change cat illustration for a dog illustration, and this niche of cat lovers and dog lovers, it's a really good niche that can bring you a lot of stable sales, and you don't need to make a lot of work for different cat lovers and dog lovers designs, because you can make 3 or 5 really good illustrations of these animals, which you will use after that in all new keywords, in all new searches, and it work really good. It is better to spend more time making really interesting and good illustrations that you will reuse after that, than if you have a lot of different cat illustrations, but all of them are poorly made. Okay, let's go to the next idea. Next idea is about Saint Valentine's Day. Will you be my Valentine? So here we can find a small competition for a holiday. Only 500 results as for now, and here you should definitely illustrate llama. Llama is one of popular characters of popular animals, and of course on St. Valentine's Day, you can also make an illustration of a llama. I will make some llama illustration that will not be too cute or too connected with the holiday. I will add some different illustration, like for example in this design, yeah, we can find good illustrations of a llama and some hearts right here. So if you will delete after that an illustration of a heart, you can use this llama illustrations for different llama searches. So reusability of your graphic elements is a very good thing in print-on-demand business. But for this search, I will definitely add some hearts, some red colors, or maybe other holiday elements, and it will look good for sure. Maybe I will illustrate one llama, maybe two different llama that are in love, like here, but any of these variations can be made good if your illustration will look really interesting. Okay, let's go to the next design idea. It is an evergreen idea, yoga cat and coffee. Of course, like I said in previous cat lover design idea, I will also make an illustration with a dog. I will change this cat to a dog, and it will bring some sales too. Idea is very simple. You need to illustrate 3 different hobbies, yeah, yoga, cat and coffee. And it can also be made as a simple text designs, like here, coffee, cats and yoga mats. But I think that design with illustrations like here can look better. And what is good in this design idea is that you have 3 different niches, yoga, coffee and cat, but to be honest, it's only one, only yoga, because a cat will also be changed to a dog, and almost everyone like or cats or dogs. And coffee is also a drink that has a lot of lovers, and this design is for almost any yoga lover, so it will be definitely selling good in a yoga niche. Yes, the competition is quite high right now, but anyway, I think that this design can bring you a stable sales, not too big amount of sales every month, but it can be selling good for years and years, especially on different platforms, if you upload it on different platforms. Okay, let's go to the next design idea about Saint Valentine's Day, but not only. All you need is love and tacos. Yes, search volume before Saint Valentine's Day will be higher, but it is also a good gift for a taco lover, so it can be sold different months too. Of course, you need to illustrate some tacos and some love elements, like here or like this design. These pepper illustrations, as for me, they look good too. So it's not a bad idea to illustrate them for this search. Maybe some different variations. I can find a lot of different retro style or vintage style designs. Yes, of course, the main and first idea that comes to my brain is about Valentine's Day stylization, but as we can see, a lot of different illustrations, they are made for St. Valentine's Day, so I think that my stylization should be made different from other existing designs, and it will have better possibilities to bring me additional sales. And the last design idea for today is also about St. Valentine's Day. My favorite Valentine calls me Mama. Very low competition as for St. Valentine's Day and for Mother's gift. And even if we will look on existing designs, they are made very simple, a lot of simple text designs, or some designs with very simple graphic elements, like here only heart, or here three same hearts. And I will definitely try to make some more interesting illustrations, maybe also using red color. I think it will look good for this holiday. And I will also make the same illustration for father. My favorite Valentine calls me Papa or Daddy, and it can also bring sales for this holiday. Yes, of course, only St. Valentine's Day design without any sales after it, but this design will have a search volume and a possibility of sales any St. Valentine's Day. I am sure that this search will exist 5 years from now or 10 years from now. So by making this design, you will have a design that can bring you income every January in each year. So it's a good idea to illustrate it too. And if you will make some illustrations that are connected with mom or dad, for example, for mom it can be some lips, or maybe some lipstick, or some crown or something like that. You can also use the same elements for Mother's Day designs, and the same logic works also with Father's Day designs, and my favorite Valentine calls me Daddy design too. So as always, I wish to make some illustrations that I can reuse after that, and as for me, this design idea also gives me such a possibility in future. It was 5 different trending searches from Redbubble for this week. It is my weekly video, so subscribe to this channel. Here I have a lot of different videos about print-on-demand business, and I wish you good sales. See you soon. Bye.